because of the world environment, our customers are firing our effectors, in some cases daily. And that requires us to be focused on replenishing and sharpening their stock of weapons inventory. I'm Barbara Borgonovi. I'm the president of the Navy business at Raytheon. We provide solutions to the U.S. Navy and allies across effectors, sensors, which includes radar products, really to support their mission needs. At RTX, we provide the defensive edge so that the U.S. Navy can have a layered defense approach. When they're in conflict, they have to be able to utilize different solutions depending upon the threat that's approaching them. It all starts with our radars. They're sensing what is coming at the ship, and from there, it's determined what effector has to be shot to disable that threat. We have capabilities like Standard Missile, our Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile, and our Rolling Airframe Missile. Then you would get into terminal defense, where something is getting much closer to the ship, such as our Phalanx system. We're really excited about some recent firsts on our Tomahawk program, where we've seen test firings in Australia and the Netherlands, as well as deliveries planned to Japan. Our SPY-6 family of radars is entering the Navy fleet right now, and those radars are configurable to different ship sizes. What's also important is they integrate with our weapons system. So it offers the game-changing capability for the radar to see as far as we're able to shoot with our missiles. That means that we don't have to get our sailors into harm's way before they have to take action. Within RTX, we're making investments to increase capacity of our facilities and manufacturing production. We invested $115 million into our Huntsville integration facility to support missile variants like Standard Missile. We're also making investments into our Tomahawk production line to ensure that we could increase the rate of capacity of Tomahawk missiles produced. We are working with our suppliers on their capacity, driving process improvements to improve yields and rate of output, as well as deploying our engineers to be resident with our suppliers to ensure the quality of our product. Few areas where we're streamlining product development for our future. Number one, we're very focused on our digital tools and digital engineering. We're able to use our digital tools to significantly reduce the lead time of our design processes, but also improve the quality of our design. The second area is to rethink how we look at qualification activities. We have advanced modeling and simulation tools and a lot of different ways to analyze the performance of our products before we go into an actual test. We are also working with non-traditional companies to look at opportunities to collaborate. We've got our RTX Ventures arm of the company, where we're investing in non-traditionals that can bring unique solutions to the table. And we are also looking at ways that we could leverage new technologies, such as additive manufacturing, into our products. I've been with Raytheon for 24 years, and I've stayed at the company because I love the mission that we serve. I value the work we do at Raytheon because I'm a first-generation American, and the freedoms that we have and that our service members are protecting are very important to me. I think there's no truer testament to our commitment to excellence than hearing sailors talk about facing the eye of a missile and being able to shoot that threat down and come home, get off the ship, and hug their loved ones.